In front of me is OnePlus 15R, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by locating OnePlus folder and selecting Clock app. Now tap on Alarm at the bottom left corner, and to create a new one, use this plus icon. Now start by setting up an hour at the top, and when you're ready, manage all of those options however you want to. Firstly, pick repeat option. Ring once. Weekdays, you can adjust each one. Or scramble. Over here, you can read all about it and adjust all of those options accordingly. You can also select custom and pick days of the week manually. When you finished, click on alarm name to name it if you want to, and select ringtone. Hit allow. Tap on one of those options here, default, none, classic to get access to all of those ringtones, Spotify if you wanna log in and use music from it, weather so your ringtone will change according to the forecast on your phone or on this device, which allows you to pick any song from your smartphone and set it up. Wherever you decided, when you finished, hit vibrate to pick one of those patterns. Disable vibrations by clicking no vibration or synchronize them with ringtone. Go back, hit snooze to decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. You can also turn it on or off at the top. Go back, and to save your alarm, hit done at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To make any changes, click on it and change whatever you want to. Then select done again. To turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it and pick one of those options from the pop-up. If you want to delete it though, just hold it and click on delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!